Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on start icon and select run. Now type here wsreset and hit enter. It will complete its process. Once done, go to search bar and type here apps and features. Click here to open it. Then scroll down, go to Microsoft Store and open its advanced settings. Then click on repair option. After that, we need to click on reset option. Select reset. Once done, close this window. Again, open search bar and type here cmd and run as administrator. Select as. Now type this command carefully and hit enter. This will take some time to complete its process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.